Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the best 2 deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make sure to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and like, so help out the channel by doing so. Guys, we got these knives. It's a nice set here. It's you got 2 of them, a red and a black from Crescent. It's a pretty nice deal. Then you got these $5.98 high visibility squares. So obviously not targeted for the professional, but then again, if you're working out on the field, and obviously you don't want to lose your tools, this is a great color to find them wherever they're at. So you got some gloves here, $9.98, some cobalt gloves. Now that the winter's coming, protect your hands with the coat, from the cold. $12.98. This is a 3-piece lock-in plier set. It's a pretty nice. It does have some nice handles. 10-inch, 7-inch, 6.5. So yeah, pretty nice handles there on that. Then you got adjustable wrenches, 3-piece, $12.98. And then groove joint pliers, $12.98. These are all good deals. They do have solid reviews on these, from what I've seen so far. $5.98, 16-ounce claw hammer. And guys, let me know that in the comment section. What are your experiences with any of these tools that you see on this video? If you like them, if you don't like them, if you're doing the trash, that'll definitely help somebody out that is planning to buy the tool. You got this utility knife. You got some scissors here, $5.98, so not too bad. And that hammer there at $5.98 again. Alright, those are the scissors. Pretty comfortable actually. Not too bad from what I looked at the store. And you got a 100-piece set here. This is not a bad deal. $49.98 was $74. And you got this multi-function knife, $9.98. It seems like it does have like a screwdriver bit. That is it right there. It says multi-tool, includes knife, screwdriver bits. That's pretty nice. And then you got the 16-piece impact bit driver set, $9.98. Now I always wanted to know how these things work. But I was looking at the screwdriver. I don't see any buttons or anything that you press. But if you turn around to the back, that's where you start seeing the directions here. Alright, so according to this, you have to strike the back from with the hammer, and I guess it makes the screwdriver turn real fast, or like a hit. And that's impact driver, I guess, or impact screwdriver. Folding utility knife, $6.47 on clearance. This is the only one they have left. It's pretty nice. Does have a quick lane change blade, and it does have some extra ones inside. So it's folding utility knife from Crescent. Not too bad. $14.98 for this 25 feet true control stainless tape measure. That's the color right there. Pretty nice. I really like the white and the black. And it is labeled on both sides. And as you guys do see, it does have that part on the side that it turns, so you can grip it. Pretty much stop it, when you guys grip it. Stop it with your thumbnail or your thumb. Alright, so you got 3-pack there, $19.98 from Cobalt. And it seems like they do have the bladeless or the toolless blade change. $14.98 for the 6-piece mini pliers. $12.98 for that screwdriver, or the bit driver. The tough sawhorse there, $39. A tough build. Alright, you got this tool bag. This is a really nice tool bag. It's from Tough Builds. It does have a lot of pockets, a lot of features. You guys see those tires are pretty beefy. It does have pretty much the plastic on the bottom to protect it. It says 18-inch rolling tool bag, $99. $14.98 for the 2-pack Earwin vice grips. Originally locking pliers. Got a 5-inch and 10-inch. Got $14.98 20-piece hex key set. 15-piece speed drive screwdriver set. So pretty nice deals there. I personally do not like these. I like the ones that come in a bundle. And, you unfold it basically. That's the ones that I like. $24.98 for the 3-in-1 folding razor utility knife. That's pretty neat. Just different than your regular blades. It says it includes 3 different blades. So, a little different than your regular. $29.98 for this 2-pack Shock for Night Eye 25-foot tape measure. So this one does come with the level, and that's the way it looks. Really nice. I still find this a little pricey. That's labeled on both sides. Alright, you got this one. This one's the combo with the knife. $19.98, and yes, it's the same knife as the one that's on clearance on $6. So just to let you know. You got that's the way it looks on the bottom. Got the Craftsman 4-volt storage screwdriver. 4-volt powered. That's more like a traditional screwdriver. You can fold it or strain it out, I guess. Alright, $9.98 for the bits, the black and gold, or gold oxide, my bad. And you got some hole saws there, Craftsman. So, pretty much not the best. I personally wouldn't buy those. I like titanium drill bits. This is a really nice one here from White, and it's marked on both sides, black and white. It's marked on both sides. It's a nice 2-pack right there for $19.98. Alright, they got this one. It's a 40-piece Craftsman mechanic set. $39.98. Down from $59. And then you got this one, $49.98, 71-piece Versa stack. 1/4 inch and 3/8. So it is compatible with the Versa stack and the T stack from DeWalt. Not the Tough System, but the T stack. $59.98 for the 83-piece mechanics tool set. That is not a bad deal. That's pretty good actually for 83 pieces. Alright. Do apologize for the camera. Alright, you got brushless 1/2 inch drill driver. That does come with 2 batteries, $99. There's 2 basic batteries. And you got some more bits down there for $12, and then some right here for $9. Black and gold, or gold oxide. Yeah, black and gold. $9.98, 14-piece. Was $15. And you got this one, 51 piece. This one's really nice, gunmetal chrome. $49.98. Then you got this one. This is an 81 piece, $69.98. You guys starting to see the pattern here, the prices. Alright, you got this one. This one's a 2-pack, a 2-tool combo kit. $99. This is, I believe these are not brushless, so just keep that in mind. $99 your choice here. That's the drill right there. You got the, and the other ones I believe they did not have it. You got a drill here, $59. It's a 1/2 inch drill driver. Was $79. You got a 25-piece hex key set. Those are the ones that I like, $9.98. The other ones I don't really care about, because obviously you start losing them and stuff. The only thing I like about these is they do have that handle. You got 83 piece Craftsman. That's it right there. So 83 piece Craftsman, $59.98. That's a really good deal on that. $49.98. This is another really good deal. Two tool combo kit, brushless triple hammer. So $149. That's a really good deal on this one. These are professional level tools. So you get two 3 amp hour batteries, a charger, in a bag. You got the Skill 12-volt combo right there. It's $149. It's a 5-tool combo kit. Regular price $199. And then you got the impact driver, drill driver, $149. I believe it does include the 840. So let's turn it around. See what we see in the box. Alright, from the looks, yeah, it does include the 840. So it's DCF 840. So if you guys haven't looked at that in action, make sure you guys check out my video. They got the buy one get one free. So you buy that starter kit, the battery and charger, or the circ saw and the drill for $149, either or. You can select a free tool. Obviously the radio is going to be the killer deal. Probably the best deal of out of these. That radio by itself is $200. It's the same as the DeWalt tow system radio. So just keep that in mind. That's the best deal. I do have it. I do have the review on my channel if you guys want to check it out. That's the kit you have to buy for $99, and you get yourself a free tool. Or you can get the tool there at the bottom, the circ saw and the drill. For $149, you get yourself a free tool. That is the item number 1631798. And then on this one, that's 2573,574. Alright, you got this one, $449, guys. This was on Black Friday, unfortunately. This was Black Friday. You would buy that one and get yourself a free miter saw stand. That was for that Black Friday. It's already over. You get to buy any of these tools on the left, and you get any of the ones on the right for free. That 2-pack of 5 amp hour battery, that's a great deal for $199. Or you can get the drill driver or impact driver. You get to select any of these tools. You got the impact wrench, you got the reciprocating saw, the router, the sander, the angle grinder, circ saw, the impact driver, or the oscillating tool. I do have that oscillating tool as a beast. I really like the blade, the toolless blade change. That is one of the impact wrenches. $199, made in the USA with global materials. And then you got the 3-pack with an 8 amp hour. That 8 amp hour is 21700 cells. It's the upgraded cells. It's the better battery. $169, pretty good deal. And then this is the 5 amp hour battery starter kit. The 2 batteries. For $199, you get to buy this and get yourself a free tool. That's a pretty good deal on that. And then some of the free tools you guys could get: router, sander, reciprocating saw. Lots of good deals. And then you got this one, this 14-piece black and gold. I believe we already saw this at another section. And then that's the reciprocating. Yeah, guys, this was, unfortunately, this was just for the Black Friday, whoever got it. That is the miter saw stand. Regular price $199. And I did post it when I saw this, because it was still valid during that day. So I did post it on the channel, but I don't know if you guys got it or not. Some of you probably saw it or something. Hopefully one of you guys got it. You got a 1/2 inch hammer drill, and then you get a free level. It says 30-inch beam or 30 feet beam self-leveling cross-line laser level. So it's free in that package. You get a 7 1/4 24-tooth saw blade. It's on clear, or not every. It's low price. $498. It's a pretty good deal on that. $14.98 for the 40-piece screwdriver set, and $12.98 for the 24-piece screwdriver set. That's the 24-piece. And then $129 for the self-leveling laser and the distance measure. And then these are pretty good actually. These are $9. These are the jigsaw blades. Make sure you guys pick yourself a set of those. Alright, you got that. This is a half an inch impact driver. $99. Does include a 2 amp hour battery. And then you got this one. This is a hammer drill for $99. That's pretty good. And then you got this one. This one's the 4-tool combo kit with the 2 slim packs, 2 amp hour batteries. You get to select, or you get one hand the reciprocating saw, charger in a bag, a light, a drill driver, and that freak. Alright guys, this is a really good deal. $3.99. These are pro level tools, professional Metabo HPT solid tools, solid line. You got the triple hammer. It's a 7-piece combo there. You got oscillating tool. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw. You got the angle grinder. You got the lights. You got the 2 3 amp hour batteries, charger in a bag. You got a circ saw, and then you got a drill. So guys, definitely check that one out. That was a really good deal. You got the power detect, buy one get one free. So you buy the power detect combo and you get a free bare tool for free. So make sure you guys check that out. Guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. This deal's already over. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.